This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML code fast easy guide. Start by creating a single HTML file, add HTML, head, and body tags, then open it in a browser to see live results. Focus on practicing small examples for 10 to 20 minutes daily and build one tiny page at a time. Keep your editor simple, use clear examples, and experiment with attributes to learn faster. Focus on essential tags and how they create content structure. Practice headings, paragraphs, links, and images while testing attributes like href, src, and alt. Build lists and simple tables to see how information organizes naturally. Try copying examples and tweaking attributes to learn effects instantly. Spend short focus sessions, adding one new tag type per session to reinforce memory and build confidence for real web pages. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making concise tutorials for you. Quick recommendation: I noticed a helpful read, Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with learning practical life skills like coding and budgeting. Check the description for the link and other deals, then take a moment to follow along when we return. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize semantic structure to make pages understandable for users and machines. Use header, nav, main, article, and footer to map page sections clearly and maintain proper heading order for accessibility. Add meaningful alt text for images and label interactive elements to help all users. Check your work with the browser inspector, fix mistakes fast, and iterate often to build reliable habits that speed up learning and improve real-world results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.